My beloved child, I want you to hear me now. I see the weight you carry, the stress that presses on your chest, the fears that keep you awake at night, the sadness that lingers quietly, and the heartbreak that has left its mark on your soul. I know the moments when you felt alone, when you thought no one understood, when you wondered if things would ever be the same. I want you to know this. I see you, I hear you, I love you, you are not forgotten. You are my chosen, deeply loved and cherished child. I know what you have lost. I know the dreams that slipped through your fingers, the opportunities that didn't come, the relationships that ended, and the moments you wished you could have back. My child, do not despair. I am about to restore what you have lost. What has been stolen or broken will not stay that way. I am working behind the scenes, weaving a new path for you, filling the empty spaces with hope, peace, and joy. Trust me, even when you cannot see the outcome. Trust that my timing is perfect. Release the worry that has kept your heart restless. Release the overthinking that steals your joy. Let go of habits, fears, and doubts that pull you away from my love. I am here to carry you when you are weak, to comfort you when you are hurting, and to guide you when you are lost. Lean on me, my child. Rest in me. You are never alone, and my love surrounds you always. I am blessing your health. I am watching over your body, restoring strength and vitality where it has been lost. I am blessing your family, surrounding them with protection and peace. I am blessing your finances, opening doors that were once closed, and providing what you need when you need it. I am preparing your future, laying a path of hope and abundance. The restoration I bring is more than just replacing what was lost. It is bringing something greater, something filled with my love and perfect purpose. Do not be afraid to hope again. Do not be afraid to believe that good things can come to you. You are chosen for restoration. You are chosen for blessings. You are chosen to experience joy, peace, and abundance in ways you never imagined. Every tear, every setback, every lonely night has been shaping you for this moment. Your story is not over. This is not the end. A beautiful new chapter is about to begin. I am with you in every step. I am walking beside you even when you cannot see me. I am the voice that whispers calm in your heart, the light that shines in your darkest moments, and the love that never leaves you. When fear rises, call on me. When sadness overwhelms, come to me. When your heart feels broken, remember that I am the healer of all wounds. I am about to restore, renew, and rebuild every part of your life that has been lost or hurt. My child, take courage. Take another step forward in faith. Every struggle you have endured, every tear you have shed, every moment you felt alone has not been wasted. I have been preparing your restoration, and it is coming. Open your heart to receive it. Believe that I am faithful. Believe that my love is constant. Your life is precious to me, and the restoration I bring is filled with my blessing, my care, and my purpose for you. Now pray with me. Dear Jesus, I open my heart to you today. Please restore what I've lost and fill the empty places in my life with your love, peace, and joy. Heal my heart, calm my mind, and strengthen my faith. Guide my steps, protect my family, bless my health, and provide for my needs. Teach me to trust your timing and embrace your perfect plan. Thank you for never leaving me and for preparing a future full of hope. Amen.